How to use the Pay Later feature on Agoda. Hey everybody, today I'll show you guys how you can use the Pay Later function on Agoda. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to your web browser, or if you have the application, directly open up the app and go to agoda.com. Hit enter and it will take you directly to Agoda. So let me just fix the URL, and I'm here on my bookings, so I'll just go to the home page. I'm already logged into my account, so you also do the same thing. Just log into your account. If you don't have an account, just create one. It's a pretty easy process. Once you are logged in, you're just going to have to find what you want to book. So just go ahead and click on the search option, enter your destination, click on search, and it will show you all of the available hotels or apartments or whatever you want. So here are some of the best matches. What I'm going to do is just scroll down and find the match that you want to book. So here is the hotel. So let's say if I want to book this and pay later, I'll just click on this. And if you want to know more about this property, you can scroll down and read through the description. Now click on view this deal, and it will take you directly down at the bottom where you have an option to book now. So if you're happy with the place, you could just click on the book now button, and then you'll be taken to the checkout page. In some cases, the hotels itself will say that you can pay at the hotel and you don't have to pay right now. So that's the pay later option. So just go ahead and click on the option, enter all of your details. So if you have any special requests like non-smoking, smoking, or large bed, twin bed, it's completely up to you. And it's risk-free and fully refundable. Now click on the final step. You are just going to have to enter your payment method. It's not going to charge you anything, but you're just going to have to enter your card details. Once you've done that, click on Book Now and Pay at Property option. So if you do this, you won't be charged anything. And when you get at the hotel, you can just pay there. But if you want to cancel, there is no cancellation fee, so it's completely risk-free. That's how you basically do the Pay Later on Agoda. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.